So check this out, guys. All you need to do is go to this one website, and all you need is 3 sales per day to make over $100. And the best part is you don't need any money. You can be a complete beginner. You don't need a website. The next step, all you need to do right now is simply go to... What's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make $100 a day online with this strategy. Now, not only is this strategy really easy to do, you can be a complete beginner to this. You don't need any money, so you don't need to spend any money on this strategy. You don't need a website. You can do this from anywhere in the world. It doesn't matter if you're in the USA, United Kingdom, Australia, Philippines. You can do this from anywhere in the world. And best of all, you guys are always asking me about this one. You can do this from a mobile phone or a laptop. That's how simple this strategy is. But it can be a little bit hard to understand when you start. So you must watch the video all the way to the end. Otherwise, you won't understand how this works. And at the end of this video, there is a secret little strategy that I've included and some freebies. It's going to help you take this method to the next level and scale it up so you can make more money. So if you want to make $100, a crispy $100 bill from this strategy, make sure you buckle in, you focus, and you watch this all the way so you can understand how this works. And I'm going to show you inside my laptop exactly this strategy and how you can make $100 per day, and it's completely beginner friendly and it works for anybody. So let's jump into my computer, guys, and I'll show you how to make $100 per day. All right, guys, welcome back. Now, the best part about this method is if you want to get your feet wet online and try to make money, this is one of the best ways to do it. And I used to do this when I first started making money online. I still do part of this method today, and it works really, really well. Because the thing about making money online, guys, you either have a lot of time or you have a lot of money. When you have a lot of money, it's a lot easier to go and do stuff like this because you can pay people to do it and put your time towards other things. But if you don't have any money, and you can't build a team to do this for you, or you can't pay anyone to do this for you, then this is the perfect strategy for you because you don't need any money to do this. It's very simple to do, and you can literally copy and paste to make this work. That's the best thing about this method. Now, I'm not saying you're going to become a millionaire by doing this, but you can definitely make some good money with this method. So let me show you exactly how this works. We'll dive in. I'll explain to you exactly what all of this means so you can make money with this method. So the first thing, guys, you'll notice that we're on a website called cbengine.com. What this website is it takes all of the profitable products from a website called ClickBank and it categorizes it for us so we can see which ones are the best sellers at this point of time, so we can find products that are going to make us the most money. So let me just go over a couple of things here so you can understand this. So make sure you go to cbengine.com, okay? Then once you're on this page, you have a few things that you can check out. So we've got CB new products, and what this does is shows you some of the newest products on ClickBank today, but we're not going to worry about that. We'll save that for another video. I've got another strategy for this one, but we want to go to CB Top Gravity, and it's going to show you the most popular products right now that are making the most money and selling the most products for people, all right? And that is the Cinderella solution. That's the one that we're going to be using in this video. And you actually notice that there's a little green R here. This means recurring commissions. So we get commissions from this. We get a percentage when we promote this product, but we can also get recurring commissions. So that means that we can get paid every single month. Now, if we click on this, guys, it takes us to a page with all the information. So it's got 5 out of 5 stars, very good reviews. It's got a gravity of 378. That means that in the last 30 days, at least 378 people have made one sale from this product. So it's very, very hot right now. There's a 95% commission rate, which is insane. Usually you only get paid like 50% commission. And as you can see, it's a very nice landing page. Now you might be thinking, how does this work? It's just a video, that's it, and a bit of text. These actually convert very well. That's why people do them, because this is called a long form sales letter. And it's basically a large sales letter, so people are going to be purchasing this at the end. If you've ever looked at like infomercials and stuff, this is basically an infomercial on a landing page where these guys promote this product and you can make a commission. Then when they click down here, if they purchase this product, you're going to get paid. So how does this all work? How do you get paid? How do you make the money with this particular product? Well, I'm going to show you how to do that step by step. So the first thing you need to do, guys, is go to cbengine.com and just go to CB Top Gravity and just find the top one at that point of time when you're on that website. In this case, it's Cinderella Solutions. Click on that and just go and check out the website and see what it looks like. These are the best ones that convert the best on ClickBank. The next thing you want to do, guys, is go to clickbank.com and create an account. Now, ClickBank is an affiliate marketing platform, but what a lot of you guys have been asking me is, I have trouble signing up. I'm not sure how to sign up to ClickBank. Go to Google and put in how to sign up to ClickBank, and you're going to be able to visit a page that looks exactly like this. On this page, guys, it tells you exactly how to sign up to ClickBank no matter what country you're from, okay? So go through and read this and it'll teach you how to sign up. If you have any other questions, you can also email these guys and they'll take you through how to set all of this up. Once you've signed up, guys, you want to go into what we call the marketplace. So go up here and click on the marketplace, and then you'll be able to go and find the product, the Cinderella one. The best way to do that is to go down to health and fitness, and it should be at the top, which it is. Now, there's a couple of things you guys can do. You can actually open up what we call the affiliate page, but usually what they do is they give you a lot of information that you can use if you depending on how you're going to be getting the traffic. So for example, if you were going to run Facebook ads or something like that, they have everything you need to go and run the Facebook ads, but that's not what we're going to be doing in this tutorial. I might give you some more steps on how to do that, but it's very simple, guys. Let me explain to you what you need to do next. So this is called the affiliate page. You're not going to need this for this particular method, but what you want to do, guys, is you want to go to promote, and you want to bring this over here, and you want to go generate a hop link. And what this is going to do, guys, it's going to create a link that we can use to go and promote and send traffic to, free traffic, I might add. Remember, we're not spending any money. And then when people go to that page, you're going to get a commission. All right, so I'm just going to paste this in here and I'm going to click go. You can see it's up in the thing here. And as you can see, guys, it's taken me to the page. So if I was a customer and I went and purchased this product right now, you would get a commission. And apparently, according to their affiliate page, the commissions are actually quite high. So let's have a look down here. It's 73% per sale, and you get 95% of $73, sorry. So $75 per sale, and you get 95% of that, which is very, very high. It's probably the highest on ClickBank at this point of time. I've actually never ever seen a 95%. You might be asking, how do they make all of their money? Well, they have upsells in the back end, guys, and that's how they make most of their money, and you also get commissions from that. Plus, they've got monthly recurring stuff as well. So once you actually have this link, guys, how do you get the traffic? How do you make money from this particular method? Well, it's very simple, very straightforward. Let me explain how this works. So you want to get your link and you want to go to the internet, to Google, and you want to type in link shortener for free or something like that, and you'll be able to find a website that you can shorten the link to make it cleaner. So I've found this one, Cutly, and if I go and paste my link in, it's going to shorten this link for me, okay? So we'll just let that do its job. And then what we're gonna do is once that's shortened, we're gonna go and find our traffic source that is completely free for us to use. So I'm actually just gonna leave this. We're gonna come back, but as you can see, it's shortened the link. So now it's a nice, clean link that looks much better and it's gonna work very well for us. So the next step, guys, is we need to get the traffic. Now, this is one of the best traffic methods that I've used, and I still use this today, guys. I still use this traffic method to send traffic to my blogs and YouTube. So this is what we want to do. We want to go to Google and we want to put in our niche. Now, our niche is weight loss, okay? So I've done that. Now, the trick is, guys, to make this work really, really well, you can just go down and you can open up all of these websites or websites on page 2 and 3. But what you want to do is you want to actually go to settings, tools, and you want to go to anytime, and you want to go in the past week, okay? And what you want to do is you want to open up all of these websites on the top page in the past week, and then the second page, third page, fourth page, okay? And what you're looking for is you're looking for blogs like this that have a comment section where we can comment. Now, the reason you want to go for blogs in the past week is because you want to go for blogs that are fresh and they have traffic coming to them, and I'll explain to you how these blogs are getting the traffic in a second. So basically, guys, the reason we want to go for these blogs is for two reasons. What these blogs do is when they release content, they email it to their email list. They say, hey, I've put a new blog post out, right? And then all of these people will go into their blog post. But not only that, the weight loss industry has hundreds and thousands of searches per month. So if I go into the Google keyword planner here and I put in weight loss, there is going to be get results. You'll see how many people are searching this per month. It's incredible. So over 500,000 people are searching this per month. Then we have weight loss diet, then we have best way to lose weight. So this industry is massive. There's hundreds and thousands of people searching every single month. And not only that, like I explained, these blogs, when they post something, they send it out to the email list. That's why you want to go for fresh blog posts that have just been posted in the last week. Now, what we want to do is we want to go and actually put our link on these blogs in the comment section. And I've actually put a little preset here, and I'll probably leave a link below in the description where you can get this preset. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to post it inside this blog. And guys, I still do this today. If you go through all of my other videos, this is one of the main strategies that I use to get free traffic to the links. It doesn't have to be this product, but I use this strategy to get traffic to my blogs. I pay my team to do that. So you'll see here it says, hey, name or blog name. So I'm going to find out her name real quick. What is her name? So her name is Tina. So I'm going to fill in the blanks here and say, hey, Tina, I was wondering if you have heard of this weight loss program before, and then I've placed the link. It looks like a great program to help people lose weight. I was just looking for some options, some opinions before I made my decision. By the way, I love the content you have been posting lately. So what you're doing, guys, is you're not just saying, hey, check out this program, because it would never get approved. You want this comment to stick. So by saying, hey, have you heard of this program before? The chances of her replying to this are very, very high because it's a question. So she's probably going to reply to this. You've got like a 99% chance of her replying to this, and then your link is going to be on her blog forever. So not only are you getting the traffic today, in the next week, all of this traffic that's coming in, you're going to be getting traffic forever from this blog post. Now, if you go and do this, quite a few times a day, basically, if you go and do this 5 times a day on 5 blogs or 10 times, and you keep doing that every single day, it starts to stack up and you start to get all of these clicks to these links, and then you start to make money. You're not going to make $100 straight away, but it builds up, it scales, and it compounds, and then you start to make money. But it's very important that you do it with posts that are only a week old. What I recommend you do to go and find these blog posts is go to Google Alerts, okay? Inside Google Alerts, you can put in a keyword and it's going to alert you every single time a post is posted, blog post. So if I go in here and I put in weight loss and go to create alert, and then I go to edit that alert, I can do some editing. So how often? At most once a day or once a week. Sources. So we'll just leave it at automatic, but we can do, well, actually you probably want to do it on blogs, okay? Because we want to find blogs. And then any region, so you can do America, New Zealand, Australia, or you can just leave it on any region if you like, which is probably the best. And then deliver to, put your email in, and they will deliver a notification to your email every single time a blog post is posted based on that keyword. And then you can literally go in, copy and paste your link, and then when that blog post sends it out to the email list or it gets ranked in Google, you're going to get hundreds and thousands of potential searches seeing that link every single month, and you can make money online with this method. And this is literally one of the best ways to make money for free. Now, if you want to know another method, guys, that helps you make thousands of dollars a day online, I'm going to leave a video up on the screen you can click right now, and it will take you to this method and show you step by step how you can make money online. And once again, you don't need to spend any money, zero on this. And I'll also leave a playlist up there, guys. You can check that out. Completely free training for you that will take you through step by step how to start your own affiliate marketing business. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that notification bell, guys, so when my next video comes out. Destroy that like button, guys. Leave a comment below if you have any questions on this method, and I'll see you in the next video, hopefully one of the ones on the right.